We gotta get like a shit ton of supply points. So glad they fixed that. Like it's actually doable now, which is great because there's new people coming in, have so many cards to buy. Chaos.
Healing. But I don't need healing when I explode everything.
True. Oh, make sure you just buy a pill. At least one.
I got the med kits, so that'll work.
All right.
Exactly.
Yeah, those will fit. Hey, we're back here again. Looks like we were just here.
We were just here. Alright. Everybody got your pills up?
Go ahead.
Yep.
Go.
Come on, money and prizes.
Oh, hey, we got a Smells Like Victory legendary card. Mutations that you kill have a 50% chance of spawning a healing cloud. Oh my god, that's an amazing one.
Oh, there's a Victor, purple.
Oh. Cards at. There we go.
Oh hey, there's a epic bow here.
Time to show them they fuck with the wrong people.
Oh, hey. Toolkit.
Need that.
Long barrel. Intelligent. Hey, there's the other one I needed. Damn. So many fucking purple guns.
I'll take it.
Here, don't need this.
Barrel attachment.
I'm good on everything else now.
There's a witness here if anybody wants it.
Alright, I think we're all set.
Yeah, I don't see anything else that I might need.
I'll take
Here's
this.
You can have this.
landing high beam, so if we get a boss.
Oh yeah.
Here if you want it.
Poe's boyfriend kicks ass.
Eric.
Boom. Boom. Okay. That was a very delayed boom.
Yes, it was.
Also, good job, Jeff, just going and like hammer blowing all those fuckers.
That's exactly.
Hey, a lucky copper.
Anything else in here, Al?
Nothing.
Yeah.
My whistle's still in there. I'm going back for it.
Right there.
Raw!
Oh, that was a lot of explosions.
Damn.
I'm healing.
Just say to stand in the green shit.
Rest in peace.
You see green shit like this, guys, just make sure you can stand in it.
You have so much fucking stamina.
Oh,
the breaker?
Breaking 1-9.
Whoa! Very angry. He's very angry.
Gotta be fucking kidding. Now you're gonna die.
Need that.
This thing works great on that guy because it hits all of his weak spots.
All up.
Yep.
Alright.
Creeped out to the max. Nice.
Anything good in there, Al?
Yeah, I got that totem.
That thing.
It just gives what how many totems we got back
What's
there?
that?
Just one.
They'll be back.
Oh, that's the sniper.
One back here.
Okay, so it's one totem,
2 totems. 2 total.
2 totems. Yeah, just 2 totems so far.
Yep.
Ah.
I'll take this.
Oh, thanks. I was throwing away a kid.
I'm surprised the Belgian reaches that far.
Good job.
Planting the bomb. Oh. We got a no-go.
Oh shit! Yeah! Fucking hammer attack. Bitch! 4 doesn't have anything on this, cause watch this! I'm molding you! Get him, Jeff! Get him!
Bounced around like a fucking pinball.
I don't care, but you don't
Good
belong
shot.
here. Only one way this was gonna end, and that was badly for you. We're
Good.
that good.
Okay, so the explosion only worked whenever whenever you hit the weak spot. If his chest was blown off, I couldn't get another hit spot in there, so it would just make me swinging him.
Mm-hmm. Always helpful.
So, in case you're curious, it's weak spot damage because of the explosion happened.
You back here? There's one
Planting
toolkit
bomb.
back here.
Here's a medkit. Don't wait.
And a make it.
Yeah, I left my
We're done
medkits
there.
over there for everyone.
Yeah, that's good.
What a heal! You think he's knocking me back? Ah.
I'll take that.
Alright, that should be everything then.
Sure.
There's 3 toolkits and a
Everyone see that?
or 3 medkits and a toolkit back there. That should
Got
be
it.
it.
Does anybody see any rifle ammo laying around?
Ammo. That couldn't have ended soon
Oh,
enough.
sniper
can-
will do as well.
I can drop some if you need it.
We'll do that
Bullets,
one.
come and get 'em.
Yeah, go ahead.
Take it.
I'll take this.
Thank you.
I say I got plenty too. I'm not using any of those. So go for it.
Score encore.
Alright, so I should put us in the last level then.
Yep.
Which is great because I'm getting tired.